Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your problem. Problem is that your Instagram Reels is not showing in the front of your feed. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a correct VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go back and just go to the channel section and just go to the software update and just update the latest iOS version into your iPhone, maybe iPad. So I have a network issue, so don't worry. I'm gonna deal with some steps. After following that steps, your problem gonna solve. And also going to the after the software update of your iOS into your iPhone, maybe iPad. Simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. And that's the main settings you have to make sure that, so you can check that if your problem not gonna solve, so you have to just move to another settings. You just have to do that. So simply just go back and just go to the iPhone storages, just tap on that and just find the app of Instagram, just tap on that and just tap on an upload and again download from that section. If you don't know how you can download again, if you did not do in that sections, simply just after the upload app, simply just go back and just go to the app store and just download the Instagram app again. So that's the settings you have to make sure to fix your issue, and also make sure that you're just using the updated version of your Instagram in your iPhone, maybe iPad. And after that, if your problem not gonna solve, so you have to make sure that you just turn off your iPhone after all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in that video. So you just have to turn off your iPhone, just pressing the power button and volume button, and your iPhone gonna off. And just like a pop-up of iPhone off, just type on off, and after on it your problem gonna solve. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.